Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple and delicious braised chicken with mushroom. For the ingredients I have 800 grams of chicken leg cut in pieces, 5 pieces of dry shiitake mushroom soaked and cut in half, 120 grams of carrot cut in pieces, quarter teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 3 pieces of pickled sour plums, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, 4 pieces of dry chili, 4 pieces of parsley stems or the roots, 1 cup of parsley leaves, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, and 1.5 cup of water. First, marinate the chicken. Put in half of the salt on the chicken and half of the pepper. Rub salt and pepper on the chicken to marinate it. Put aside and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Next, prepare the flour mix. Add 2 tablespoons of water on tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Put it aside. Now we are going to cook braised chicken in clay pot. Heat the clay pot and wait for 3 minutes until the clay pot is really very hot. Put in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in all crushed garlic and parsley stem. Give it a stir. Add in dry chili and continue to stir until fragrant. This will take for about 1 minute. Add in marinated chicken and give it a stir for 1 minute. Now we are going to add in all the seasoning. Sesame oil, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, the rest of the pepper, the rest of the salt, all 3 pieces of pickled sour plums, shiitake mushrooms, and carrot. Give it a stir to mix all the ingredients and seasoning well. Add in all water and continue to stir and mix well. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 minutes, the chicken is boiling in the clay pot. Can you hear the boiling sound? Let's open and check on it. Wow, it's really boiling vigorously. I will give it a stir. Some of the chicken has stuck at the bottom of the clay pot. Give it a stir to separate the chicken from the bottoms of the clay pot and also mix the ingredients and seasoning. Cover the lid and continue to boil for another 30 minutes. From time to time, we need to come back and check to make sure that the chicken does not get stuck at the bottom of the clay pot. After 30 minutes, open the lid. Give it a stir. We need to stir to make sure that the chicken does not get stuck at the bottom of the clay pot. Notice that the gravy has reduced quite a lot after cooking for 30 minutes. If we don't stir, it tends to get stuck because it's not a non-stick pan. By now, the chicken should be soft and ready. Let's check on it. I'm using a fork to poke through the chicken. Yes, the chicken is ready and very soft. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, delicious. A bit of spicy, salty, and sourness from the sour plum. It's really tasty. At this stage, if you need to add more seasoning, can do so, but for this, it's really delicious and perfect. Turn off the heat. Immediately put in the flour mix to thicken the gravy. Give it a stir, and the gravy should be thicker now. Add on all fresh parsley and give it a stir. This should be served immediately and best eaten with white rice. Let's eat! Delicious. Chicken is delicious and tender, gravy is tasty and flavorful with a bit of spicy, salty and sour. The parsley and shiitake mushroom are really fragrant. I love it. If you try it, please let me know how it turns out. And please subscribe to be notified on my next recipe. Thank you and bye bye.